I'ma still be like this. Comfort zone.
We cook
Season, we cook it, we eat it. Season, we cook it, we eat it.
A drizzle, a pop. A drizzle, a pop. A drizzle, a drizzle, a drizzle, a pop.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate each and every one of you for being here today. So what we are making today is a crispy duck legs. Crispy duck legs with a delicious plum sauce, a Sriracha Plum sauce. So y'all ready to get into this video? And along with that, I've made some pinto beans with some flavorful seasonings and veggies and that garlic. Oh yes. All right, let's get into this video. I'll be right back. All right guys, so here we are with all of our ingredients. So I have 2 duck legs here. Okay, we have 3 plums, some fresh ginger, some minced garlic, some kosher salt, a yellow onion, soy sauce, hot chili sauce, some rice wine vinegar, okay, rice vinegar, sorry, apple cider, honey. We have Chinese 5 spices and some black pepper. All right, so let's get started. We are going to go ahead and clean off our duck, and then we're going to pierce it, and I'll be back. So what we're going to do is slightly, make sure you don't get the meat in the inside, the flesh. So I'm just going to cut like this. I have our cast iron skillet heating up. I'm just going to go like this, okay? Score it a little bit. Then we're going to come in here with some salts. Got kosher salt. You can use sea salts. Heavenly. And then because we're going to put the skin down first in our cast iron skillet. And so we are going to cook it really well so we can get most of that fat out. We want a nice crust so our duck can be so crispy. All right guys, and so now let's go over here and bring it to the pan. I cleaned it. I did take away a lot of the fat off of the duck already. I dried it. Make sure, because you want it patted dry. We're not going to add any oil because this is going to produce enough grease, trust me, because duck is very, very fatty and oily. So all right, I'll meet y'all back over here at the stove. All right guys, so our pan is ready to receive. And we don't want to disturb it too much. Let it do what it do. See how that fat is rendering already? That's why I told you you don't need any oil in your pan. Alright, so we're going to let it cook on one side for about 5 to 6 minutes, and then we're going to turn it over. We're going to make sure that the skin is nice and crispy. I'll be right back. Alright y'all, we back. That is what I'm looking for on. Our legs, duck legs, okay? What are you guys doing for Labor Day weekend coming up? I hope you are, you know, staying safe and spending quality time with your family. All right, I will be back. I'm gonna cook that side for probably like 3 to 4 minutes. Like I said, we are just melting away most of the fat. You see how much oil is in this pan? Yeah. It's a lot, right? All right, guys, so I got this where I want it to be. And we're going to remove our duck legs and take them out the pan. I'm going to pour off some of this duck oil, and then we're going to start cooking down our veggies. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I forgot to tell you one thing is you're going to need a celery. Come on. Sorry, talking to Jazzy. I used half of a medium yellow onion. The other half I am going to use for the plum sauce. All right. Medium-high heat. So we're getting up all of that goodness out of the bottom of the pan, guys. And we're cooking this till it gets translucent, the onions. And then we're going to return our duck to the pan. Make sure your oven is preheated to 400 degrees. I'll be right back, guys. Right, guys, our onions is where I want it. Let's add in a little bit of garlic. All right. Stir. And now I'm about to put our duck back in the pan, and then this is going in the oven. Ooh, it smells good. And we're going to cook this for about 30 minutes on 400 degrees. Then we're going to turn it down to 350 degrees when it's time to put our plum sauce in there. And we want skin down in the pan. All right. I don't think, hold on, because I think I forgot to season up the veggies, didn't I? Or did I? Did I not? Did I? I'm all late, right? I think I did forget. There you go. Bam. Let's get this in the oven. Skin down. I mean, skin side up, not skin down, guys. And we're going to put this in the oven and cook for 30 minutes on 400 degrees, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, y'all ready? So, I only ended up using 2 of those plums, which we're going to put in here. We're going to add all of our ingredients, okay, except for the Chinese spices. I chose to use cane sugar instead. Okay, I'm going to list all the ingredients in the screen so you can just follow suit. Let's add our garlic, apple cider, ginger, onions, cane sugar in there, soy sauce, rice vinegar. So don't add your Chinese 5 spice yet, okay? You need about a tablespoon of honey. Eyeball it, just eyeball it, y'all. Got your sea salt. You only need a half a teaspoon of sea salt, okay, guys? Mix everything together. So you're cooking this on medium-high heat. Last time I made this a whole duck with, I used another plum recipe. This one I just was winging it a little bit. I think I seen Jamie Oliver do a Peking duck, and then I think he did some duck legs as well. So I was watching a few because it's been a minute. So we bring this to a boil. Now we're going to reduce this, and we're going to cook this for 30 minutes uncovered, okay, for 30 minutes. And then, so I'm gonna lower this heat, let it cook down, and I'll be back in 30 minutes. All right, guys, so this is what my sauce is looking like. I have 1 minute to go left with it. And so we're going to put this in our Ninja Foodie blender and go ahead and puree it and then return it to the pot. I taste it, and it tastes absolutely delicious. So I see I don't need to adjust anything. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, so we have our plum sauce in there, and now I'm just going to go ahead and because we want a puree, so I guess I'll just go ahead and do put it on blend and then medium. So we are done here. We're done. So I'm about to pour this back in our saucepan, and then we're going to then add 1 tablespoon of the Chinese 5 spice and cook for about 10 to 15 more minutes, or until the consistency, how thick you want your plum sauce, okay? Be right back. All right, guys, we're back. Look how smooth it is. Y'all see that? That's what we want there. And so now we're gonna add, I said tablespoon before, it's 1 teaspoon, okay? And I shouldn't have even put a whole teaspoon. I should have did half a teaspoon. It's all right. It's all right. Fix it, Jesus. Supposed to did a half. I'm so sorry. See, I was trying, because I cut the sauce down. I was making a lot, but hopefully that doesn't affect it. And the sauce is smelling so delicious and tastes amazing. It has a slight kick to it, not too much of a kick. So our plum sriracha sauce is coming along nicely. So depending on how thick you want your sauce, that's how long you're going to let this simmer. So I give it about 25 minutes, 25 to 45 minutes, if that. But this is gonna be delicious. Let me taste it since I should have used half a teaspoon. And see if I want to adjust this some, because, you know. Okay. That didn't do much to it. Got 30 more minutes to cook with our, there is our duck legs. Thank you guys for coming. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe. And I hope you try it at home. Duck is so delicious. And I haven't made it in a while, so this was a nice treat for us tonight. Alright guys,
We season, we
as
cook
I
it,
always
we eat
say,
it.
stay
Hey,
blessed.
we season,
I love
we
you.
cook it, we
And
eat it.
peace out.
Hey.
Don't forget to click that subscribe button if you're not
Sizzle,
subscribed today,
sizzle,
and the notification
sizzle,
bell,
sizzle,
so you can be
sizzle,
reminded
and
of
I'll
when
feel
I
comfort
come to
zone.
you with another
Feel
delicious
comfort
meal.
zone.
Alright,
Season, we cook
comment
it,
down
we
below
eat it.
and let me know what you
Season,
think
we
about
cook
this
it, we
video.
eat it.
And if you try
Season,
it,
we cook
come
it,
back
we eat
over
it.
and let me know what you think.
Bring the
I
flavor.
love you guys.
Bring the flavor.
Later.
Feel comfort zone. Feel comfort zone. Sizzle and pop. Sizzle and pop. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle and pop.